I want to quickly put my hair into a protective style, but before then, let's quickly do a length check. This is actually the day after I trimmed my hair, and you guys, I really feel like my hair has been stuck at this particular length, or more like my length has reduced. And I know part of the reason that has happened is due to the way I've been handling my hair, the frequent hair trims. And I don't know, you guys should let me know what you think. I'm going to try and attach a picture or video of one of my previous length check to confirm this in this video, okay? And this was trying to pull my hair from the back was really a struggle.
It's not working.
So for this back perimeter, my hair is at scapular length, or more like maybe just slightly after my scapular bone. As you can see, now this is scapular length. And previously I thought I got to brass strap length. So that's what I'm talking about. I'm also going to try and take the measurement from this front side just to know how many inches it is, since I wasn't able to use the tape when doing the measurement from the back. So this is at armpit length. I actually prefer doing my measurements like this, like taking note of what level it is when compared to my body parts. Let's say chin length, armpit length, bra strap length, stuff like that. But the tape measurement is more stressful, and sometimes depending on how you place your tape, it can give you varying results and all, and it's just more stressful. But I'm just going to do the tape measurement. This is 13 inches for this back section. I'm just going to retake it just to be sure. So what I'm doing is trying to place the tape, the 1 inch, or where the tape starts at the at my scalp. Then I go ahead to like make sure everything is straight down to the down through the length of the hair to the ends. At this point, I feel like the tape measurement was taking way too much time. So I decided to go back to just gauging the measurement or the length with my eyes. So for this one, I would say this is at armpit length, and the middle perimeter of my hair was still somewhere around the same armpit length. And this is what the crown section of my hair looks like. And now I'm going to quickly pre-section my hair for the protective style I want to install. So I find out that when I'm making my protective styles, I do not want to start off with my hair all out. It's always easier for me to pre-section my hair into 8, 10 sections so that I work on each individual section instead of working with my hair whole. And this really makes the installation process, protective style installation process, really easy for me. Before we continue with the hair sectioning and protective styling, I would really love to know what your thoughts are on the hair length shake. Do you think my hair got shorter? Do you think it is just stuck at the same length? Just let me know your thoughts in the comments. Also, what do you think I have been doing wrongly? I would really love to converse with you in the comments. It is also worth mentioning to you that my hair actually feels really healthy at this point. So I feel like the hair trims have helped me get rid of my split ends, which just made my hair tangle a whole lot more. So it's easier. And you also notice in this video, I did more of finger combing, finger separating, and finger detangling my hair. I didn't exactly use any hair tools. I think I used a comb at some point, but the main technique or the main tool I'm using in for my hair is my hands, and this just works perfectly. So I think trimming my hair has really been helpful. It has really helped me a whole lot, considering how easy it is to work with my hair right now. So the hairstyle or the protective style I'm going for is mini twist. This is not actually mini, but this is I just say jumbo, no, medium sized mini twist or medium sized twist. Okay. So I really do not want to spend so much time on this hair. So I'm just going to be very quick. That's why the part isn't so small or thin. And something I also, I've mentioned this before, something I've noticed with my hair is that the nape area and the my front edges, they usually like experience the most shedding and cutting when I try to part my hair in really small sections. So I really do not do small sections in those places. I go ahead and do wider sections just to save my hair the unnecessary stress and tension, which will then result to breakage and all of that, which is something I do not want. So to install the twist, I start off by finger combing and finger separating my hair, getting rid of all the tangles and shed hair that might be stuck inside. I also go ahead to spray a little bit of water to the ends and maybe apply a little bit of conditioner. Then I start twisting from the roots. And you guys know that some of my previous videos for my twist, I used to braid the base, then twist the rest of the hair. But I stopped doing that because it was usually more difficult to take down that kind of twist. So I just really prefer just twisting all the way down. So far I haven't used any comb to cut my hair. So this is what it looks like. And my hair usually shrinks really fast. So I decided to use the banding method or technique to kind of stretch my hair. Wow. I think I was going to bed at this point. So I was supposed to continue this the next day. And if I had let my hair um down like that, it was going to really shrink by the next day. So I managed to get it stretched out the way I wanted, and this is what it looks like. The only downside to stretching my hair like this is that whenever I take out the elastic bands out, my mini twist or my medium twist, they come out looking flat and boneless. But nevertheless, I actually love to see my twist stretched out. Once I get to the front perimeter of my hair, I like to go ahead and do wider sections and parts like I mentioned earlier. And at this point, I finger detangle, but I still use a rattle tooth comb to make my paths just so that I have creeps and straight lines. Okay, this particular section I'm twisting right now looks like it's a bit wider than I would have wanted, but part of the reason I left it was because it just, I don't know, it just felt okay. And one thing I was looking out for or avoiding was creating a middle part. I've been doing a lot of middle part protective styles lately, so I feel like there is too much tension in that middle part area, so I was avoiding that. And this is a protective style. This is, I'm doing this not for the aesthetics but to just have my ends tucked away. So I'm choosing length retention and less tension over the whole aesthetics thing. Okay. So I'm just going to quickly finish up the twist. Once I was done with the twist, I took down the elastic band and my twists are flat and boneless as I expected. I don't know about you, but this mini twist or medium twist isn't that bad. The fact that there is no tension on my scalp or my edges and my ends are going to be tucked in makes it a very great protective style for me. Anyways, I went ahead to apply a little bit of hair cream to add a little bit of shine and bounce to the twist. And once I was done, I proceeded to put the twist into a bun, as you can see. I don't know if you noticed that the back perimeter that I stretched with the elastic band was obviously longer than the front perimeter that I didn't stretch at all. Anyways, I'm also paying attention to this bone, making sure it is not too tight and that there is no tension at my nape or my edges. And once I was done, this is what my hair looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.